are back. We're on our way to the property that we just got the deed for.
In 1,000 feet.
Just gonna turn around so you guys can see the neighborhood. Pretty decent.
Turn right on MLK.
Retiring and looking to get rid of his portfolio. And a lot of times that's what you'll find. You'll catch the old school guys that
In a quarter of a mile.
20, 30 years. It's taking care of their families. It's provided a lifestyle for them. Vacations, cars. These properties have paid their mortgages. And this is the process like now where, Janelle's going to build up a bunch of these. Then she's gonna come in and get some apartment buildings too. That's a whole nother stratosphere. You're talking about having passive income.
Turn left on West Home Avenue.
To be able to do what you want, when you want, how you want. And we gotta learn to start looking at these neighborhoods and
In half a mile. Turn left on Glen Avenue.
understand what gentrification is all about. It's not about what you see, it's about what it can be. When you come in and put your touch on it. So I'm always looking for blocks, properties that are dilapidated, that are burnt down, lots next to it. I want to come in and own up all the land and turn it to what I want it to be. Like, you don't have to sit around waiting for somebody else to do something for you. You gotta have that entrepreneurial mindset. A lot of people don't have that. They sit around waiting for somebody else to do something. And as long as you sit there waiting, somebody else tells you when you can eat. Somebody else tells you when you...
In 1,000 feet.
Turn left. Somebody else tells you when you can do anything in life. Who wants to live like that? If you're not going to get up and fight for what's yours, you can't expect nobody to give you anything.
I don't think this is it.
Huh?
It's down further.
So we're coming out and we're going to different cities that we've never been to before. And taking advantage of the opportunity because we have a high income skill set. Huh?
That's not it.
So that's not it.
Turn left on Glen Avenue.
So we're gonna go into the parking lot is back there.
You've arrived. Destination is on your left.
Okay, we got a notice up there. Let's see what that is. I put that roof on there, right? Okay. What's over here? All right. Janelle's latest acquisition here. And you got the keys, Mama?
Yep.
All right, let's go. All right, so this is the latest acquisition from the Queen of Deeds here. We can already see that we have a good roof up on the property, right? And gonna let Janelle walk you through, give us our intro and all that good stuff, all right? Once again, guys, this is the real deal for us. This is what we do, all right? People are giving houses away. This is why we're up here, right? This is another free property. Hey, Kim, what's going on? Janelle missed your call. She apologizes. We had a bunch of stuff going on this morning, and you can see this is a free house right here. So, what is that letter? Taxes. Just go ahead, open up. Give it. He said it was. Who forgot that? Okay, so yeah, first time ever she's gonna open up the door as the owner of this property. Let me do it.
Yeah. Hi, Dave and Kim. It's like it's frozen shut.
Said this little one went to that padlock, right? Let's see.
Thank you, Kim.
Okay, we got that part open.
Yeah. That was easy.
So we're gonna let the Queen of Deeds go ahead on and lead us in. And this is a property that he had started doing work on. Remember, Janelle, now?
Yeah.
He had started doing work.
I don't think it needs a whole lot of work either.
It's a lot of stuff here on the floor.
It's like,
But it's intact. Everything is in here. Close the door. Okay. So the window's open there. We need to close that window. What's that noise?
the fan. The fan is on.
Oh, he was keeping the air circulating in here?
Oh.
Yeah, you can leave that on. Yeah. So this is the kitchen area here. You want to go ahead on? So let's just lead us, Janelle.
Okay.
Yeah. So hold on. How does it feel? How does it feel?
Fantastic. I feel like the Queen of Deeds. This is the second one in what, 2 days, 3 days?
3 days, yeah.
Yep, second deed in 3 days, so I'm just ready to get to work.
Okay. So what's going to be? Let's look through and then we'll talk about the exit strategy on this one. So we got these older cabinets here. But once again, for this area, this would be something like I wouldn't do a crazy upgrade. Like stuff could be painted. You know, obviously take this stuff down.
Yeah.
You know, just got this old paint there. Okay, so we got to get lights on in
Get
here.
a flashlight. So now-
Were the lights on before we came in? I don't remember. So we got to get lights, electricity and stuff on. Oh, it is.
Well, I hit this one, it didn't work.
Okay, so we got to get the lights transferred over, right? Okay.
That light's not working. You go first.
Let's see what's down here. It's not bad down here. Let me turn the light on. There we go.
Okay.
So this is the basement, guys. We're going in. And let Janelle lead the way again.
All right. Spider web, sorry.
So we got the furnace here. Still good. Where was that hot water heater? I think he said he took it out of this one. Right? So see if we can get that
Unless it's on the other side.
put back in. I think he had told me he took it out, but go ahead around there.
Okay, there's electrical.
Yep, the electrical right here. All right, so So we're good on electrical. We're good on the mechanicals. Yeah. Yeah, the hot water heater. I know he said he had one. We'll see if he still got it. He could put it back in.
Extra storage?
Uh-huh. Anything in there?
No.
Okay.
Oh, this is a big space.
Yeah.
Oh, this is big.
Yeah, nice big space. That light right there. Probably use that light. Just trying to see anything that we can. So he's got like some heating stuff in here. What?
Get her off here. It's
Huh?
a spider.
Look it up.
No, it's a spider for me.
I'll see it.
You don't see it?
It's gone.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's gone.
Okay, let's
He's
go
just
back.
as afraid of you as you are of
We're
him.
gonna go back upstairs.
Where's the light in here?
Checked out.
All right, let's see what's going on. Okay, it's gone. Sir. It's gone. So the guy who was here, he just got tired. He's an older gentleman, just got tired of this stuff. Right?
Alright, here's the bathroom right here. Full bath,
Yeah.
bedroom.
So honestly, I'm thinking flip the thing. You know what I mean?
We get a room right behind here.
Okay, we got another bedroom over here. Yeah, so I mean, it's got older windows in here. This is a job to flip to somebody who wants to come in and finish it off. All right?
So this is it?
No, there's upstairs too.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so good.
Leave the door there, so we can open the door a little bit.
Yeah, let that down. I like the cedar wood. You remember this?
I do. Yeah, I do. I remember it, yeah. This is cool.
I like this cedar wood up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a good, this is a flipper for get this baby flip, right? That's cool. What would you do with this?
Nice. Yeah.
A little bed in there?
Probably.
So after looking through your property, what are you thinking for exit strategy?
We could flip it for some, a nice penny.
Yeah,
Yeah, we could flip it.
absolutely. So what we need to do is take pictures, get ready to get it together to send out to our buyers. All right. So we take these pictures and get it ready to go. So that's 2 properties that we have to send out to the buyers. All right. So I'd love to. I mean, honestly, just the wholesale. You know, remember the properties aren't really expensive up here, but we'll do the due diligence, see what the after repair value is. We could even, you know, have it. Did you ever find that realtor's number? All right, we could see, you know, just what these things are selling for, look at the comps, and put together the numbers that will justify what we're looking for. But I mean, easily, I mean, Should be able to get at least. We're looking at least get 5 out of it, right?
Out of this one?
Hmm?
I think more than 5.
Okay, you're wholesaling it.
Okay.
You got to leave meat on the bones for the people that are doing it.
Okay.
Or if you're not going to wholesale it, keep it.
It feels like a moneymaker.
Okay.
Either way.
Okay. Yeah.
Running numbers.
Yeah. Run the numbers. See if it makes sense. All right, that's it. Then. Let's we got to get the light switched over. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And is that heat running through here? I just turned it up. The heat. Yeah. Do you feel anything?
I don't feel, I'm cold. This window.
Right, I just did it. Can you put your hand on there? I don't know if it's up here or not.
No, it's not on.
All right. Sure, I'll take it.
Alright guys, so that's it for this one. I'm on my way to another property that I have that I need to get cleaned out so I can get somebody in it ASAP. So we're on our way to go do some manual labor. Kim, I'll call you in just a few minutes. Sorry about that. But as you can see, we're working. I'm not working. So I need to get off of here so I can get some pictures taken of this property, and we'll be back on in a little bit, maybe about another hour or so. So you guys stay tuned. We'll let you guys see some more of what we got going on. All right. I will. All right, guys. I'll holler. See you at the next property.